Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apurva. I'm your dietitian. Today is the last recipe video in summer specials, and that's mango chia smoothie. Ingredients required: firstly, we need to soak 1/4 cup of oats and 1 teaspoon chia seeds separately for 15 minutes. We need few mango pieces, 1 cup of low fat curd and 1 teaspoon honey. Method: just put all the ingredients into a jar. It's very simple. Just blend it into smooth paste. Pour it and garnish with some chia seeds and mango pieces. Serve it cold. This recipe is rich in fiber, protein and healthy carbs. Mango, though it's high in calories, it's a seasonal fruit, so do consume it. But Weight Watchers, keep the portion under control and consume. This summer, enjoy this healthy recipe. Share it with your loved ones. Like and subscribe my channel Apurva Dietitian in YouTube. Also, check out all my videos in summer special playlist and also recipe playlist for more interesting videos and recipes. We'll come up with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye-bye.